Hello guys, beautiful people. Lovely to see you back on my channel. I'm Dimitri and today I want to talk about secret to be a millionaire and 7 steps to follow. Let's get into it. Firstly, I would say the first step and the biggest step is shoot for 10 million, not for 1 million. Why it's like that? Because if you put a bigger target, bigger goal in front of you, then you will do bigger steps to get quicker in the and get the job done. But if you put small target in front of you, say 1 million, then it looks quite big for you, and then of course you do small steps. Everything just balance it itself. You give to your brain a bit more harder job, and then he does the job much quicker. Number 2, develop multiple streams of income. I would say it's hard at the beginning because when you're confused, you want just to start with something, but slowly over the time, you can just build it up, starting something online, selling something, e-commerce, or doing some affiliate marketing, or if you got some side money saved, you can do stocks, indices, crypto. You can look around and make money work for you, or just put some work up front, and then you will start getting income. There is plenty of things you can check online and just do this like in your spare time, and you will see some incomes. Of course, that will be very small at the beginning, but in time it just scales up. Save to invest, don't save to save. How that works? For example, you keep your money, you go to work, you save £1,000 a month. End of the year, say that's £12,000. Every year, inflation is about 2-3%. Where you're losing from that money if just they stay there. Why don't you make that money to make you instead another 10%, 20%, 50%? Depends what system you got in place. You would ask yourself where to invest. It's not just you invest, say, in stocks or forex or any online thing you find out. Investing does meaning testing lots of things as well. For example, you want to do a campaign, advertising campaign on Facebook. You test, that's meaning you invest your money in there and you see what's gonna come out, and you can improve it over the time and time. You also can, with the money you do, you can invest in different another stuff. That's the point of the money. Otherwise you're just losing them slowly, and that's your time, that's your work. Number 4, invest in yourself. Doesn't matter what age you are. If you are definitely want to start something or you like something, don't just bother yourself that you are a certain age, that the people doesn't study or learn that stuff in that age. Forget about everyone. Do whatever you want to do, especially if it's education stuff, because it's never late to learn. You always can learn something new, or you can just improve and develop the hobby or the ideas you have. Always believe in yourself and just do that. Investment in yourself, that's something that stays with you forever. Say if you make $1 million and then you lost it, but you know how to make it, then for you it doesn't matter. You will stand and you will do it again. Number 5, self-motivation. Don't wait for somebody to motivate you. For example, myself, I've been watching lots of YouTube videos how to get motivated, why I can get the job done, and lots of things around that. Until I understood that I have to take action. If you don't take action, it doesn't really matter. Sometimes we just get stopped by perfection. Sometimes even myself, I look at the bigger YouTubers and I see they do so well. I look, they got like millions of subscribers, thousands, millions of views, and then, but I'm going back. I'm going on their channel, I'm checking their videos, what they've been posting over time, and I'm checking the beginning videos they've been posting, and that's their experience, that's where they start. with every single step you do, you learn something, you get more experience, and it gets better and better. I don't know why, but that's universe works this way. Then we just have to follow. Invest in yourself. Number 6, change your mindset about the money. People always confusing, everyone wants money, but if you want freedom, that's wealth. That's why you have to balance it, and you have to find out why you want money or wealth. Because there is some people you can give them millions and they can just spend it straight away like that. But the wealth person, he knows how to manage the money, he knows how to make the money, and that's the difference. Everything comes from inside of your brain, your mind. Whenever you set inside there a system where just follows and goes, then you will be definitely great. You just have to implement inside your brain that you can do it, and then nothing can stop you. You are the only barrier what holds you back. You have to do it, you. And the final number 7, you are the secret. Yes, you are the secret. Because there is no difference between me, you, or the other people. There is some genius, definitely, but there is people who just so motivated and they define their goal, they know what they're going for. That's why some of us doesn't have money, doesn't have no health, they are unhappy. Everything comes from you, because you are secret, we are the secret. Always the problem comes from us, and always the solution is inside of us too. That's why you are the secret. You just have to open up yourself, talk with yourself, just find out where is the problem, find out where is the solution, find out how to do, find out who can do it, and many things. That's the secret. Money doesn't really change many things. Don't believe that if you're gonna make that million, that everything is gonna change. Everything has to change firstly from you, from inside here. If it doesn't change, then money will not help you. First you have to change your mentality, and then you will see. You have to understand the big money does not come working hard. There is like if you work for corporations and stuff, say if you get a good position in 10, 15, 20 years and you get that 100, 200,000 a year, you will make that million maybe in few years, 5, 6, 7 years from then. But how much work? You're always gonna have somebody over you. You're always gonna have that schedule, 9 to 5, 8 to 5, whenever, night shifts. You're always gonna be doing something instead of just spending on you, spending with your family, spending with the stuff you really love and love. Love and love. You have to decide what you want to do. Then you will get that million. Keep it up, be well, and don't forget, the money is not the world. You have to be wealthy if you want all. Take care, guys, and see you next time.